Okay, so today we're going to be talking about natural base and E. So we're actually going to skip example 1 for today. We'll do that in our next lesson. So we're going to go to example 2. So it says, example 2, evaluate f of x, which hopefully by now you guys know, just as another way of saying y. So f of x equal to, so ln stands for natural log. Why they put it ln and not nl, don't ask me. I don't know. But it's natural log. And then x is what we're going to plug in. So before we actually get started on the notes part of this, I want to go over a couple things with you. So, I don't know why I closed that. I need it open. So, okay. So I'm going to show you a couple different things. So if you don't have a scientific calculator, so if you don't have one of the blue calculators or one of the big graphing calculators, if you Google scientific calculator, this will come up without the red circle that I made. So this will come out. And then to do this on it, all you'll do is hit that button that I circled in red, that LN button, and then whatever number you have to do. And then you'll just plug it in, hit enter, and you're good. So if you have one of the scientific calculators like this, the LN button's located up there. Same process. You put that first, and then your number, hit enter, you'll get your answer. Now if you have one of these calculators, one of the graphing calculators, or if you have one more like what we have in the classroom, the LN button is located down towards the bottom. And again, you hit the LN button, whatever your number is, and then go on from there. That's all you got to do for this lesson, really. It's actually going to be a very easy lesson in my opinion. So let's actually get started with the notes though. Okay, let me just get this all up and stuff. So, again, we're starting with example 2. So we're going to use f of x is equal to ln, and then 2, because that's what x is equal to. You don't have to put in parentheses. Actually, I'm just going to take those away because they look bad. But, so, again, you're just going to plug into whatever calculator you're using, the LN button, then your number, so in this case 2, hit enter, and you're going to get a number. So in this case we get 0.69. It doesn't matter if you're in degrees or radians. On a lot of our other stuff it kind of does, but today it doesn't. So whatever settings your calculator is set up as, it should be fine. And what you put in doesn't really matter. You might get a we'll go there in a second. But it doesn't really matter what you put in. Like, you can put decimals in, you can put fractions in, you can put square roots of stuff in. It doesn't matter. It should work out, or if it doesn't, it just means it's no solution. It doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. If you're really worried, double check your work, but normally it just means it's no solution. So the next one, f of x is equal to natural log 1/2. So we'll just do ln 1/2 equals, and so we get negative 0.69. Wow. Basically the same answer. That's always fun. Yeah, so again, we just plugged it in and we moved on. So now the last one, f of x is equal to natural log negative 1. I'm going to try that. ln negative 1. I got a error, so this one has no solution. But again, it doesn't matter what you're putting in. You can put in square roots, you can put in decimals, whole numbers, fractions, everything will work. If you are putting in a fraction, if you have the fraction button on your calculator, that works. And if you don't, you can just put 1, like if we did b, you can do 1 divided by 2, and it will be fine. Okay? If you have any questions, email me.